today let's see how we can solve this logical and critical question on the board. From the question, we have been told that PQRX is a rectangle, alright, in which a square of side x centimeters has been cut off from the rectangle. We have been given the area of the shaded portion, and mathematically we can say that the area of the shaded portion, which is 484, should be equal to the area of the rectangle, alright, area of the rectangle minus area of the square. Nicely, then we code this. Now what can we do? Mathematically, our 484 will be equal to the area of a rectangle, which is our length times what? Our breadth, as we can see, minus the area of the square, which is what? L squared. Now let us go to the diagram and analyze our length. Now from P to Q will be the length we are looking for, which is equivalent to S to R. Therefore, we can join from here to meet this, so that we can also have X centimeters. Therefore, our length is going to be 10 plus X plus 10, which we are going to have 484 should be equal to 20 plus X, multiplying our B, which is from S to what? P, and that will be 20 minus the area of the square. Now the length of the square here is X, so what can we do? We put X here, so X squared. Now let us see how we can simplify this. We have 484 equal to, we use the 20 to multiply everything in the bracket, and we are going to get 400 here plus 20x minus x squared. Now we group everything at the left hand side, then we equate it to 0. Let's see how we can group them. We send this to cross the equal to sign, and it will be x squared. This will cross, it will be minus 20x. This will cross, minus 400. This is already there, so plus 484 equal to 0. Now we simplify this as x squared minus 20x plus 84 equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Let's see how we can use the factorization approach to solve it. Now the coefficient of x squared here is 1. So we use the 1 to multiply our 84, and we are going to get 84. We look for two numbers. When we multiply, we'll get 84. But when we add, we'll get negative 20. That is the coefficient of x. And those two numbers must be factors of what? 84. And 6 and 14 will help us to get the numbers we are looking for. Because if we negate the 6 and we negate the 14, when we multiply these two numbers, it will give us 84. When we add them, we'll get negative 20. So we use these two numbers to replace our negative 20x. Let's see how we can replace it. So we have x squared minus 6x minus 14x plus 84 equal to 0. Simple. At this level, we take them 2, okay, and factorize. X out, x minus 6 minus 14 out, all right, x minus 6 equal to 0. At this level, we group the numbers that are outside the bracket, and we are going to have x minus 14. This and that are the same, so we pick one. So we are going to have x minus 6 equal to 0. We pick this, we equate it to 0. So x minus 14 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 14. We also pick this, we equate it to 0. So we have x minus 6 equal to 0. So x will be equal to 6. Then we can say that our x equal to 6 or 14. So this is how we can answer this question. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you. Use the first example to answer the rest of the questions on the board. Thank you.